Alrighty guys, in today's video in FlexiPRINT, we're going to be looking at contour cuts, and this will be located within the secondary toolbar. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we head into the program. So now, like I mentioned, today we're going to be looking at contour cuts. This is very handy if you're making stickers or anything like that, or you need a specific shape cut out around your design. So I'm going to put a few shapes quick so we can get an idea of the difference. Let's create a circle, maybe grab a rectangle, or yeah, let's make a rectangle. And then maybe a freehand drawing shape. Get something rather strange. Here we go. We've got these shapes down. Now to apply the contours are pretty straightforward, but they will obviously vary depending on your design needs. If I click the circle here and we go on our secondary toolbar, I'm just going to hover down till we find the icon. Let me zoom on further. It looks like a little shape with a outline around it. As we can see, contour cut. If it is not under your select point tool, then you need to hold your left mouse button on this button, and when a pop-up appears, select the first one. So now let's select our shape, we click that button, and then it will pop up our contour for us. Now by default, this is really what it's going to kind of look like. On the right here on our design central, we have a few settings we can set to get more custom look, but most of the time you can simply just go here on your actual design, and you'll see we've got these two little handles. The one handle decides where on the shape will your contour be located, so maybe you want to move the control arm to a certain area, and the other one, if you click and drag it, it will decide how big is your contour cut, and this will update on our design central panel as we adjust it. Now obviously we can adjust those things on the design central as well. So if you want to fine tune it, let's say it has to be exactly 1.5 centimeters. Sorry, let's try that again, 1.5. There we go. Then we can set that to an exact number for the contour cuts. Now under the design panel we also have some basics. So we've got like the type of contour it is, the type of lines, and then we've got the width holes, and under that we can refine and go into more depth on the colors and the control corners and so forth. Now an important thing to note is this little icon here on the right, because as you can see, if I had to just click off this shape does not have a contour, so then we have to select it again, make sure everything's set correctly, and then make sure we click on this little green button. If I select that, you will see now if I select off it, this thing has a contour, which is pretty handy. You can however also select contour and do another contour around your contour if you have to, just so you know that is possible. I'm just going to cancel that. Now this the default contour type that it's on, it will take the shape of whatever shape it is selected. So if we do a contour here, you can see taking the basic shape of this rectangle. Same way if I use this custom shape, click that and you'll see it actually maps the shape quite well to create a nice contour. Now obviously we can go into more depth on this feature. We will cover that though in another video, because there's quite a few different options we can go about. But if you just quickly need to create a contour, the most important is make sure it is set on default to contour, then set your distance to a custom amount that you want, or use these control arms to adjust it, and then make sure you hit the little green arrow to say yes, I want to confirm that contour. But yeah, otherwise that is it on the contour for now. If we in the meanwhile head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your searching on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request the training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.